in the forest of golden hues. Leaves are dancing with the breeze. Every step awakens truths beneath the sky, soft and at ease. Autumn light of quiet dreams, carry me through your gentle streams, between the gold and crimson trees. I breathe in peace, I feel at ease. Passing twine so calm, so deep, the whispering wind tells tales untold. I walk beneath the sky's soft sweep, and the forest speaks, serene and bold. Golden leaves fall all around, nature's song a tender sound. I close my eyes, I feel the air, autumn's magic. Every